Winter weather is getting you down. A shopping trip could help to cheer you up. Not in the mood to spend very much money? How about browsing at a surplus store? ABC 7's Janet Davies has discovered a store full of leftovers where you can get a good deal and also have a good time.
Well, some people love to shop. Others think it's drudgery. But we found an unusual store that makes shopping an adventure for everyone. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind store with hundreds of choices, say hello to Good Buys at American Science and Surplus.
This store on the city's far northwest side almost defies description. American Science and Surplus is full of stuff. There are thousands of items jammed into bins, hanging from the ceiling and piled on shelves. This creature called Momo was made from odds and ends sold in the store. It's a science lab, thrift shop, and hardware store rolled into one.
Our average customer stays somewhere between an hour and a half. We really need to, take some time. We have a lot of stuff. Our signs are fun.
There are microscopes and telescopes, charts and models for serious students and amateur scientists. The store has everything you need for a science fair project, including ideas. So it's the answer to a hairy parent's prayer. For the not-so-serious, there are gag gifts like yellow crime scene tape, rubber chickens, and plastic reptiles. You'll find odd-sized light bulbs, wheels for baby strollers, surgical instruments, transformers, glue sticks, and even doohickeys for a penny apiece.
It comes from everywhere. Some of it's commercial, new. We try to, science-related. A lot of it's surplus. And some of it walks in off the street. We get one-of-a-kind items that, people will be clearing out their basements. A lot of guys who just got married will bring a truckload of stuff in.
Prices start at a nickel, and a $10 bill goes far here. Office supplies are up to 80% less than retail. You can buy nuts and bolts for $1 a pound.
There are some things in the store we have no idea what they are, but they're heavy, so we charge a lot for them.
It's impossible not to be charmed by American Science and Surplus, the oddball merchandise and quirky displays. You won't walk out of the store empty-handed. They hold a tent sale twice a year, and the next one comes up in May. We shopped at the Chicago store on Northwest Highway, just off the Kennedy at Bryn Mawr, but there are others in Geneva, Orland Park, and Milwaukee. For hours, directions, or mail orders, call 773-763-0313. That's 773-763-0313.